Alright, here's the rain garden. It is flowing today. We must have gotten 3 inches of rain. It was coming underneath the bridge. You can see it flowing a little bit right there. I think this is actually the first time I've ever seen it flow. Look at that. It's really cool. I'm so excited. Our rain garden is really working today. It was coming down really hard off this flow, over this overflow. You can still see it coming down a little bit. Right there, it was flowing hard. Yeah. So here's the rain garden. And it's flowing and it's flowing. I love it. Going under the bridge. It's overflowing onto the sidewalk there. And then this is where I need to make another rain garden right there. It needs to come off that. And it needs to come down here. And I need to probably dig this out and have it flow under there.